Today we are making Indian food Pav Bhaji. Ingredients. For the bhaji: 2 cups mixed vegetables, potatoes, carrots, peas, cauliflower, bell peppers. 1 onion chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon butter. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons tomato puree. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1/4 cup water. Chopped cilantro for garnish. For the pav: 6 to 8 pav bread. Butter for toasting. Instructions. Chop the vegetables into small pieces. Heat butter in a large pan, add cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Add onion, garlic and ginger, sauté until the onion is translucent. Add the mixed vegetables, coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric, chili powder and salt, mix well. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Mash the vegetables slightly using a potato masher. Add tomato puree, lemon juice and water, mix well. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes or until the bhaji thickens. Toast the pav bread with butter. Serve the bhaji in the pav garnished with cilantro. Tips and variations. Use a mix of vegetables for a colorful bhaji. Adjust the spice level to your taste. Add boiled and mashed potatoes for a thicker consistency. Use pav bhaji masala for an authentic flavor. Serve with cheese, onion or lemon wedges for extra flavor. The calorie count of pav bhaji can vary depending on the ingredients, portion size and cooking methods used. Per serving 1 pav and half a cup bhaji. Calories 350 to 450. Fat 15 to 20 g. Carbohydrates 40 to 50 g. Protein 10 to 12 g. Fiber 4 to 6 g. Pav 1 piece 100 to 120 calories. Bhaji half a cup 250 to 330 calories. Factors affecting calorie count. Type of bread: pav, whole wheat, white or multigrain. Amount of butter or ghee used. Vegetable quantity and variety. Spice blends and their quantities. Portion size. Healthier variations. Use whole wheat pav or multigrain bread. 2. Reduce butter or ghee usage. 3. Increase vegetable quantity. 4. Use low-calorie spice blends. 5. Add protein sources like beans or tofu. Approximate nutrition information for different variations. Vegan pav bhaji 300 to 400 calories. Low-calorie pav bhaji 250 to 350 calories. Protein-rich pav bhaji with beans or tofu. 400 to 500 calories.